Hi, my name is Rebecca Pulowski, and I am a board-certified behavior analyst here at Autism Academy. My job is to help develop students socially and behaviorally within the classroom. While we're at home, I would love to share with you some tips and tricks that we use here at school that can also be used within the home setting. Today we are going to talk about how timers and clocks can be used within the daily routine and schedule. Ms. Taylor Jacobs talked a lot about how schedules and routines are very important, especially while you're in the home setting. If you have an iPhone or another Android device here, you can click for a timer at any time, and it shows here not only the numbers are going down, but also that orange circle around the edges are also visually going down. This is great for our kiddos who need more visual support to show them exactly how much time is left in a certain activity. Additionally, what you can do is use clocks, whether they're analog or digital, and let a child know exactly what is expected of them. Again, my name is Rebecca Pulowski, and remember that we are here to help you. You can email me at rpawlowski@aaed.org for any questions that you may have.